This is a really sad day. A budgie died. He died. He was sick. He was sick. When I found out, it was too late, guys. So yeah, he won't be anymore. And plus, he won't be anymore with us. So his funeral is gonna be in January 10th. January 10th. No, or January 2nd. I don't know, but no, I think it's gonna be the 7th. Yeah, January 7th. But he'd been a really nice budgie. And his mate is alone. That's a picture of all four budgies. These two are my cousins. These two are mine. Phoenix is... I didn't edit the photo. It was just like that. That's his mate. Budgie. She's all alone now. The budgies are with my cousin, Pot. And I'm in vacation. So yeah, that's when they're gonna be back home. January 6th, so that's why the funeral is the 7th. So yeah, and we just lost a nice innocent budgie. Nah, I can't continue the video. Bye.